Okay, everybody, we've got this water bottle from DYLN. Now I'm from Canada, and we've brought this in from the United States. And what's so special about this DYLN bottle? Well, they say it alkalizes the water. And some of the things about alkaline water is that it's absorbed quickly in the body, tastes better. Let's see what we got in our shipment here. Got some packaging. So I ordered a 40-ounce bottle. Let's see here. Wow, it looks great. The beauty about these bottles that they're stainless steel. They are stainless steel bottles, insulated, and look at this. Comes with everything you need here. Now what alkalizes the water are these VitaBeads diffusers. Okay, and the thing about those diffusers, they're made of magnesium, and that's what alkalizes the water. And I think it takes about 20 minutes. You put your diffuser, well, obviously you have to prep it. I think you have to soak it in water, and then it's ready to go. You rinse it, you let it dry, and then you insert it inside the your water bottle. What I ordered was the water bottle, the diffusers. Okay, and they do have to be replaced depending on how many times a day you fill your bottle. If you fill it once a day and you go with that, it can go on for months. If you do twice a day, it's going to be a little bit shorter. So let me just show you. Let me go through everything step by step. So we got the water bottle. We have and inside the water bottle is this kit to help you remove and install the diffuser. And you look at that, you get a diffuser right off the bat there. You got several storage socks. So here you got your instructions, okay, on how often to replace it. Let's go over a few things about this. No, we don't need this. About this bottle here. So it tells you how to clean it, okay? Hot water with soap. Avoid getting hot water or soap on the diffuser. So with a new diffuser, you may notice a fine mist of water when you open the bottle. During the first 2 weeks, loosen the cap every few hours to release pressure buildup caused by the VitaBeads, right? Because it's quite cool. I've seen this in action. It starts bubbling, not bubbling like boiling, but you see some bubbles coming out. So we recommend replacing your diffuser every 300 liters or at least every year. The warranty on the bottle, limited lifetime warranty against manufacturer defects. Do not place your DYLN bottle in the freezer or microwave. That's just common sense. This thing is metal. Now, here's some more facts about the bottle. It's PBA free. Each replaceable diffuser creates up to 300 liters of alkaline water. 316 Stone Cold surgical grade stainless steel interior, a 304 food grade stainless steel exterior, reduces ORP down to -150. I don't know what ORP stands for. Is it in here? You'll have to look that up. And it increases your pH level up to 9.5 on the pH scale, which is on the alkali side of the pH scale. Reducing plastic waste, of course, you're using steel, reusing the bottle all the time. Now, with every purchase, you earn points. Diffusers, you earn points. You can even subscribe to a replacement subscription, so you get one every few months. You save a little bit of money, and then you got your instructions on caring for it and replacing the diffuser. Also, which is separate, I ordered a little bottom protector here. which the bottle will fit quite nicely inside. I have to take the label off, I know, but that will fit there in case you do, you know, drop it and bang it. The bottom of the bottle will be protected so it doesn't get all wobbly, and if it does get bumped. Don't care so much about the scratches, but I do care about the bumps and the dents because it'll knock it off balance probably. And I think that's it. That is what you get. So if you guys are looking for a little bit healthier alternative here, this is my COD. I have to pay duty on that. Little bit health, like change your water drinking habits. You want to go with the alkali water, and you could do your own research on the benefits of alkali water, consuming it. Go ahead, but this is neat. I have tried this before, and I'm gonna be honest, this is my second bottle. The only reason why I replaced it is because it was such a good deal that I decided to get a bigger bottle and more replacement beads. So I had to make an order anyway, and it was holidays coming up, so there was some discounts on the website. And if you want to get your own, please use the link below, and you'll earn, I believe you may earn a discount if you order your own bottle from the website. And that's pretty much it. I'm really looking forward to using my new bottle. And then what you can also do is on the website, it can track your bead usage. What you have to state is how many times you fill your bottle a day, and then it'll do the calculation, and it'll send you an email when you're getting close to replacing, and then eventually on the day you have to replace it, it will tell you. So that's it, folks. This is my new neat purchase. So we're gonna wash it up and get it and start using it right away. So if you if you guys want to get your own water bottle that makes alkali water, use the link in my description, and you'll get hooked up, and you may even have a discount as well when you do that. That's it, folks. Thanks for watching.